And you people know the man.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Are you a graduate?
Yes, sir. I'm a graduate.
So you are a graduate?
Yes, sir.
You are a graduate?
Yes, sir.
Which school?
University.
Nanda Zikiwe.
Yes, sir.
University.
Yes, sir.
Kedebode.
Okay.
Okay, Oka University.
Yes, sir.
Nanda Zikiwe. Which course are you doing there?
I studied political science.
You study political
science. Political science. Political science.
Political
science, sir.
Political
science.
Or political Canabia?
Yeah, political science. Political science.
Political science.
Yes, sir.
That means it looks like poetry. Political science. What are you? Why do you join political science? You're a younger man and a handsome guy. Why do you join the political science?
I joined it because of I love the philosophy, the aspect of it, and the execution. You love
what? Where are you entering? It's a philosophy. What is philosophy?
That's love of wisdom. That's love of wisdom.
Love of what?
Wisdom. That's philosophy.
Okay, so, philosophy, but wisdom.
Love of wisdom, yes, sir.
Philosophy.
Yeah. So I love the philosophical part of it, and the.
But I thought there's a course they call philosophy.
Yes, sir. If you are studying political science, you have to study philosophy.
Okay, after you will join, you will study philosophy later.
You're on your level, you have to study philosophy. You have to study philosophy.
Which level are you now?
I'm a graduate. I've graduated.
Have you studied philosophy?
I studied it during my 100 level.
Okay, you have already studied philosophy.
100 level.
You have 100 level.
Yeah, when I was in 100 level.
And now you are into that political.
No, I'm not a political practitioner or a scientist. But why I left it, but I'm doing something else. I'm into content creation, so I'm creating content.
You say you are into something else. You started with political science.
Yes, sir.
And after political science, you bring what you call philosophy. From philosophy to wisdom. Now there's another one, a corner. I say, I started something else. Which is something else?
Content
there's
creation.
Another one you call now. Which one?
Content creation. Content creation.
Who is this man? What do you mean by content creation?
Someone that creates content online.
What do you mean by content creation?
Someone that creates content. Someone that creates content online. Someone that creates content online.
Somebody that created something online.
No, you create okay.
Brother to bloggers.
I'm coming.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you are a pastor.
Yes, sir.
So you say you are somebody that do what?
That creates content online.
Somebody that creates something online.
Content.
Content online.
Yes, sir. So I have my own niche.
You have your own
niche.
Okay, are you sure? I'm okay now. Make it an eagle. What do you mean my ish? I'm okay now. Make ish. That means J3 ish. Something that ish. What do you say? Said what now?
No, in content you have to have your own niche. It's either you are a comedian.
You have to have their own what?
Niche. There are departments in content. It's either you are a comedian or you're a vlog.
Or you have a niche.
Yes, that's niche. You have to specialize on something. So as a pastor, your own niche is to preach gospel.
Look at this guy. Prepare. You prepare yourself to come here. It's as a pastor. For you to say you are follow Koli. And then but who say? They say as a pastor, your niece is what? How can you explain my niece? You are just trying to make yourself to become more Laducia. That means you are too higher.
Yeah.
Laducia in education.
And all of us.
I'm looking at this young man. This man is political science.
Yes, sir.
Understand me? From political science, and the man go into philosophy.
Exactly.
From philosophy, this man banyana another thing, content creator.
Exactly.
And you are a graduate now.
Yes, sir.
You are a